Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss on how you can use the Yardi facility management software or the Yardi property management. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to go to yardi.com. Okay, and then just go to the property management. Okay, and then the next thing that we should do here is we are going to book a demo. So you just have to input your full details so you can get a demo. And since we don't have enough time to wait for a demo, what we're going to do in this video is we are going to discuss what's inside the property management. Okay, so here for the property management software or the Yardi Voyager. So here we have the Voyager is a robust single connected solution that allows you to align your entire operation, tailor your implementation, access live and online training, and customize your solution stack. Okay, so right here we have the multifamily, commercial, affordable housing, PHA, senior living, and mixed portfolio. So we are going to try to discuss each one of them. Okay, so here you just have to find the right platform. So here, assess your needs, the property types, accessibility, the mobility, and the flexibility. Now let's go back at the top and let's try to discuss multifamily. So where multifamily finds its home, support every step of the renter journey with market-leading software that makes life easier for both your teams and your residents. So seamless experiences drive operational efficiency and deliver stronger returns across your portfolios. So we have here the list of the leading multifamily companies. Trust the Yardi. Here, deliver one seamless experience to support renters while they look. To reach more renters, improve advertising ROI, and create engaging websites. Now for leasing, convert more leases. So transform quality prospects into ready-to-renew residents with a connected CRM, AI-powered virtual assistants, and more. For the customer experience, so enhance the living experience, simplify every step of the resident journey with a single portal to apply online. Move in with a guided checklist, pay rent, submit work orders, sign renewals, and earn rewards more. For the property operations, to manage your portfolio with the industry leader, support your operations with the industry's leading property management platform. Voyager delivers complete control over leasing, finances, maintenance, rent collection. For the asset performance, measure what you manage, balance risk, and increase revenue by combining in-depth operational data and predictive insights with budgeting, revenue, and data oversight tools. For the artificial intelligence, to transform data and maximize outcomes with AI, leverage Virtuoso, eliminate repetitive tasks, and improve decision-making, leaving site staff to focus on best-in-class customer services and providing the C-suite actionable insights. And the next one is the commercial. Okay, so let me just go back right here and click on the learn more for the commercial. So connected solutions for all commercial assets to shorten leasing lifecycle, maximize revenue, improve insight, and enhance customer service by running your entire business with integrated commercial property management software. Okay, now for the commercial solutions, we have property management and ERP to manage more than just accounting to maximize efficiency. So combine property management and accounting with ownership, financials, budget forecast, construction, and maintenance for a holistic view of your portfolio. Next one is the asset management. So gain portfolio-wide insights with accurate real-time data, elevate asset performance by lowering costs, balancing risk, and increasing revenue. So access in-depth operational data and predictive insights with the recommended actions. Next is the leasing. So drive revenue and shorten the lead to lease life cycle. So enjoy and end-to-end serious solutions for landlords and brokerages, from marketing and research to deal management and commission payments. Our tools improve every aspect of commercial real estate. Next one is the tenant services. So leverage a self-service portal to increase convenience. Give tenants and staff a self-service portal and app. Tenants can make lease payments, submit maintenance requests, and enter retail sales data online. For business intelligence, visualize data with a conduit from Yardi to the Power BI. Gain more flexible reporting with direct access to relevant data using a secure feed from Voyager to Microsoft, Power BI, and enabling infinite customization. And for the procurement, automate and outsource payment processing. Get the procure-to-pay solution for property management that includes comprehensive vendors management. For the energy and sustainability, so reduce consumption and cost to meet the sustainability goals. So manage cost, consumption, and sustainability initiative with a comprehensive suite of energy solutions. So let us proceed now to the next one is the affordable housing. Okay, so let's click on the learn more option. For the affordable housing reimagines to solve the industry's toughest challenges with all-in-one affordable housing solution for finance, compliance, resident services, staff, training, and more. And we have here the affordable housing providers that trust the Yardi. And for the marketing, so market like you mean it. So drive leads, leases, and renewals with tools to reach more renters and deliver outstanding services to prospect and residents. Here, qualify quickly. So verify income and assets faster residents and applicants. Get verified income and asset reports for applicants and residents. Cut the cost of manually creating, sending, and processing verification. Enhance resident experience, boost resident satisfaction, improve brand reputation, better serve your applicants and residents with the intuitive online portal designed to handle payments, work orders, justifications, and ongoing communication, giving your site staff more time to spend more resident services and the asset management. Next, the reduce turnovers, a single intuitive user interface, simplify and streamline workflows to increase quality and better support site teams with integrated real-time training. Optimize operations, so track work orders and unit turn costs, enhance communications with maintenance and inspection teams, so reduce the costs and increase the efficiencies. So again, the Yardi management is a very powerful cloud-based solution designed to streamline and simplify real estate operations for property managers, owners, and investors. Built with scalability in mind, so the Yardi offers a wide array of tools that support residential, commercial, senior housing, affordable housing, and other specialized property types. Its flagship products, the Yardi Voyager, integrates property management and accounting into a single centralized platform, allowing users to automate tasks like lease tracking, rent collection, maintenance requests, and financial reporting, all in real time. So one of the key strengths of the Yardi's property management software is its flexibility and customizability. It provides a rule-based dashboard, provides capabilities and seamless integrations with other Yardi modules such as CRM, marketing, procurement, and energy management. So this allows organizations to expand their capabilities as they grow without needing to switch systems. Additionally, with the compliance tools built into modules for affordable housing, senior living, and public housing, Yardi helps users stay aligned with local and federal regulations while improving tenant satisfaction and operational efficiency. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.